In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture receipts in Expensify, a crucial skill for efficiently managing your expenses. Whether you're using Expensify to keep better track of business expenses or to simply organize your personal finances, capturing receipts is a key feature that makes it easy to maintain accurate records and streamline reporting. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to head to the Expenses tab within the Expensify web application. If you're new to Expensify, this tab is your go-to place for viewing, managing, and sorting through all your expense records. It's designed to help you stay organized and ensure all your receipts are in one dedicated location. Once you're in the right spot, you'll want to look for the familiar plus icon. Clicking this icon is your gateway to adding new expense entries and is a simple way to navigate the interface. Upon clicking the plus, you'll see an option labeled Scan Receipt. This is the feature you'll use to add new receipts to your account. It's a straightforward process that takes the hassle out of keeping tabs on your spending. This feature allows you to either upload a saved image of a receipt from your computer or, if you're in the habit of keeping digital copies of your receipts, it supports direct uploads. Simply choose a receipt file from your documents and watch as Expensify works its magic. In case you prefer a more hands-on approach, Expensify also supports drag and drop functionality. This means you can directly drag your receipt files from your desktop or files manager and drop them into the Expensify web app. It's a convenient alternative for those who have the files at hand and want to quickly input expenses without navigating through multiple windows. The application will automatically scan each receipt, extracting essential information like date, amount, and merchant, which the app then uses to categorize the expense for you. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of manual errors. By following these simple steps, you're ensuring that all your receipts are accurately captured and organized within Expensify. This makes preparing reports, reconciling expenditures, and even just maintaining personal records much easier and more reliable. With your expenses accurately logged, you can focus on analyzing your spending patterns or preparing for audits without the worry of misplaced or forgotten receipts. And there you have it. In just a few clicks or drops, you've mastered the art of capturing receipts with Expensify, an essential skill for anyone looking to maintain thorough financial records. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try out these tips to make the most out of Expensify's receipt capture feature.